Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is puzzles. I am going to give you three puzzles in this video. Very hard puzzles. You never play these puzzles. Okay. This is called Sicilian Defense. Okay. Let's go to the moves. Why to play, how to white win the game. You can see how to white win the game. Okay. First move is you can see here. You can see here this queen go to there, and there is a beautiful check. Okay. After that, this king go to there, then this queen go here to here, checkmate. That's it. You can see now, queen go to there and king go to there, then queen go to there. Beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is checkmate 1. Puzzles 1. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much watching this video. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the second tactical puzzles in the Sicilian defense. Okay. Now we can go to the second puzzles in the Sicilian defense. Find the best move for black. Okay, I am telling again, find the best move for black. Okay, find the best move for black. Okay, first we can see here queen. You can see here now there is a queen. Okay, there is a queen here. This queen cut the knight and there is a beautiful check. Okay, you can see here queen go to check, then white played black the check, queen, black the check with queen. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here, you can see this queen go to there and black the check with queen. After that, black playing amazingly right now in the right time. Cut the queen. Okay. Then another move of white and white is playing right now. Cut the queen, why the king? Okay. Then white and white cut the bishop. Okay, you can see here white cut the bishop. That's it. Totally this game black win easily because black has 2 rook, 7 pawn, a bishop, a knight. But white has 7 pawn, 2 rook, a knight. That's why this game easily win black. Okay. This is puzzles 2 in the Sicilian Defense. Okay. We can go to the puzzles number 3. Okay. Hello everyone. This is puzzles number 3. Okay, you can see here. Now white and how to white win the game. I am going to teach you smartly and perfectly. You can see the moves. Okay. First you can see here this queen go to there and beautiful check here. You can see here. Now queen go to there and beautiful check. After that king go to there. Okay. Then beautiful move make what? White made a beautiful move, cut the bishop, white the rook. Then black played cut the queen, white the queen. Then white playing cut the queen. That's it. In this game, white win easily because white has a queen, a rook, a bishop, and 5 pawn. What black has 2 rook, a bishop, a knight, and 5 pawn. Total this game, white win easily. That's it today. Chess video. We will see next video tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, bye bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you so much watching this video. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye.